The Galaxy Z Fold 7 might just be Samsung's most refined foldable yet, and the recent hands-on leaks are making waves across the tech world. At Digital Dive, we're diving into everything that makes this leak so exciting. Starting with the design, Samsung seems to have finally nailed the balance between premium aesthetics and functional durability. The Fold 7 is reportedly slimmer and noticeably lighter than its predecessor, solving one of the biggest complaints users had with the Z Fold 6. The hinge is now redesigned using a lightweight carbon fiber build, which not only makes it sturdier but also smoother when folding and unfolding. You can feel the engineering precision in each motion. Another major improvement lies in the display. The inner screen crease is less visible than ever before, giving the Fold 7 a more seamless tablet experience. The bezels are slimmer, and the screen is brighter with even better outdoor visibility. Samsung has also reportedly improved the under-display camera, making it less noticeable and more usable, especially during video calls. For productivity lovers, the S Pen has been refined for a more natural writing experience. It glides more smoothly across the screen, and with increased pressure sensitivity, it feels like writing on real paper. That means creatives, note-takers, and professionals finally have a reason to stick with the Fold instead of switching to tablets or laptops. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, which promises massive improvements in both speed and efficiency. This means better multitasking, faster app switching, and even console-quality gaming on the go. Battery life has also been optimized thanks to the more efficient chip and Samsung's smart power management features. You could be looking at a full day of heavy use without needing a charger, which is a big deal for any foldable device. What's more, the Fold 7 now includes enhanced cooling technology that keeps the phone running smoothly even under pressure. Content creators will be thrilled to know that the camera system has also received a solid upgrade. The triple lens setup now features a 50 megapixels main sensor, a better ultra-wide camera, and a new telephoto lens with improved zoom and stabilization. Night photography is also expected to be vastly improved, and 4K video recording is sharper and more color accurate. You're essentially getting Galaxy S series level photography in a foldable device. The Fold 7 is also rumored to improve its IP rating, meaning it's more resistant to water and dust than ever before. This makes it more practical for everyday use, even in unpredictable weather. Samsung is also working on better software integration, with updates to One UI that allow apps to adapt more smoothly to the folding display. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running 3 apps side by side, it all feels more fluid and intuitive. The real question is whether the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is finally the foldable that makes sense for the average user, not just tech enthusiasts. And from what we've seen in this hands-on leak, the answer might be yes. It checks nearly every box from design to performance to durability. With the official launch expected in just a few weeks and pre-order details already leaking, it's shaping up to be one of the biggest smartphone events of the year. If Samsung sticks the landing on pricing and software support, the Fold 7 might finally become a mainstream success in the US market. Stay tuned to Digital Dive for full coverage and honest impressions once the phone is officially announced.